Hello everyone, today we will talk about the content of foramens in the middle cranial fossa. First canal in the middle cranial fossa is optic canal. Optic canal. Content is optic nerve, ophthalmic artery. Second foramen in the middle cranial fossa is superior orbital fissure. Superior orbital fissure. Superior orbital fissure and optic canal is connected by a common tendinous ring. Common tendinous ring. This is a common tendinous ring. This common tendinous ring divides the superior orbital fissure in three parts, that is lateral, this one is middle, and this one is medial part. Lateral part we have number 1 recurrent meningeal branch of ophthalmic artery, nerve, lacrimal nerve, frontal nerve and trochlear nerve, and superior ophthalmic vein. In middle part we have upper division and the lower division of oculomotor nerve. This is nasociliary nerve and this is abducent nerve. In medial part we have only inferior ophthalmic vein. In this optic canal we have optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. Recurrent meningeal branch of ophthalmic artery. Then we have lacrimal nerve, frontal nerve, trochlear nerve. Here we have superior ophthalmic vein. Superior ophthalmic vein. In middle part we have upper division of oculomotor nerve. Then we have nasociliary nerve, This one is lower division of oculomotor nerve, lower division of oculomotor nerve. This one is abducent nerve. In the medial part only one content is present, this is inferior ophthalmic vein. Now whatever we have read till now we will write here. First part is lateral part. Content is recurrent meningeal branch of ophthalmic artery. Now lacrimal nerve, frontal nerve, trochlear nerve, superior ophthalmic vein. In middle part we have upper and the lower division of oculomotor nerve, nasociliary nerve and abducent nerve. Second part is middle part. Middle part we have upper division of oculomotor nerve, nasociliary nerve, lower division of oculomotor nerve, fourth is abducent nerve. In medial part we have inferior ophthalmic vein. Medial part we have inferior ophthalmic vein. Next foramen is foramen rotundum. Foramen rotundum. Content is maxillary nerve. Next foramen is foramen ovale. Content is mandibular nerve, accessory meningeal artery, lesser petrosal nerve, emissary vein connecting cavernous sinus with pterygoid plexus. Next foramen is foramen spinosum. We have middle meningeal artery and vein and meningeal branch of mandibular nerve. In next video we will talk about the foramen lacerum.